All right, here we go again. So find the slope and the y-intercept from a table, then write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. This is a new tool that my Screencastify has given to me. And I should, cool. I can write. Okay, let's see what this does. So find the slope and the y-intercept. So the slope is going to be, slope is change in y divided by change in x. So my y is on the right-hand side. So my change in y is going to be how much it changes. From 4 to 6, I go up 2. From 6 to 8, I go up 2. From 8 to 10, I go up 2. So my change in y is plus 2. Change in x. X is on the left-hand side, so change of x is what you do to get from one x to the next x. So from 0 to 1, plus 1. 0 to 2, plus 1. 2 to 3, plus 1. So my change in x is plus 1. I don't know why. I keep getting little dots, but there you go. So the m value, it's probably because I put my hand. Okay, the m value is 2. Choose a different color. So the b value, the y-intercept, is the starting value, and we define starting value as where x equals 0. Okay, so we look to see where x equals 0. That matches with x equals 4. So the b value is 4. And then to write the equation, the equation is y equals mx plus b. The m was 2. The b is 4. Put in the rest of that equation. Y equals, so it should be y equals 2x plus 4. All right. Oops. Next. Okay. Pen. Same thing here. Slope is change in y divided by change in x. That's the slope. This is going from 1 to, if you think about on a number line, if I start at -1, I have to go backwards 1 to go to -2, backwards 1 to -3. I'm going down 1 every time. And if you look at, this is my change in y. If you look at the change in x, it's going from -1 to 0, it's going up 1. 0 to 1 goes up 1. 1 to 2 goes up 1. So my change in x is plus 1. -1 divided by 1 is -1, so that is my slope. My y-intercept, I have to look to see where x is 0. X is 0 right there. So that's my b value. My b value is -2. And then for the equation, y equals mx plus b. M is -1. B is -2. So if I put in the rest of my equation, y equals -1 times x plus -2, and then adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. So I'm going to write y equals -1x minus 2. And then the last one. All right. This one, there is a trick in there. So please don't get fooled. Okay, so my y is going up by 1 every time. So my change in y is plus 1. Remember, slope is change in y over change in x. So my change in y is plus 1. My x from negative 2 to 0, that goes up 2. From 0 to 2 goes up 2. 2 to 4 goes up 2. So my change in x is plus 2. So that means my slope is 1/2. Y-intercept is right here. 0, 0. That's my b value, this one. And then the equation, y equals mx plus b. The slope is 1/2. And the b value is 0. This is the m. That's the b. So my equation is going to be y equals 1/2 x. You could also put y equals 1/2 x plus 0. Both of those are correct. I hope you find this helpful. I'll see you Friday.